have thumbs up from scorekeeper and referee. That means driver has hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for qualification match number 87 here on Jones Field number 1. These robots are taking their aim, with the red team having a little bit more success on their end, but the blue team is making their way. Ultraviolet being as reliable as possible, they are picking up those artifacts and launching them even though they came up empty this time. They have successfully left their zone.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
This means that we get 1 red leave and 2 blue leaves. As we enter the driver-operated period, we have a 5-point difference, just 5 points between these two teams. This means it is anyone's game as Ultraviolet goes up close to launch. They are followed by their teammates, the purple Robo-Rollies, who will launch one as well. On the red side of things, the Norwalk Robo-Warriors, purple, are collecting from that zone. They come up with 2 and shoot 2. 2 for 2. Their teammate is also 2 for 2. The Pioneer Robotechs, as they empty that gate to try to improve their cycle time. Keeping things going from that far launch zone for the Blue Alliance is the purple Robo-Rollies. Therefore, the red side, it appears that they are having some technical difficulties, is the Pioneer Robotics. Though they're now back in it as they open that gate to be joined by their teammate, the Norwalk Purple Robo-Rollies, Robo-Warriors, in this congested near launch zone. One thing you'll notice about this match is that it is a very heavily congested area in this near launch zone right in front of me here, as these teams are trying to get to their secret tunnels to cycle. Penalties are just occurring more and more. As we are prepared to enter the game, these teams have a choice. We shall see if the Blue Alliance decides to cycle those artifacts, or if they decide to leave it filled. The Red Alliance trying to get theirs full as fast as possible with 5 seconds left on the clock. They are sharing that parking space. Same with the Blue Alliance as we...
The Blue Alliance with the victory with a score of 204 to 189, also fairly close. Blue Alliance walks away with 4 ranking points and complete upward motion.